Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're about to check out some awesome watch faces that came from the Galaxy watch. Now, a couple of people asked me about these watch faces, and I'm telling you, a lot of them are really nice. A couple of them, if not three, got ported over pretty much from the previous watch, right? But they all look good. We're gonna go through them. Now, if you like these watch faces, we may get them on the Gear 3 Classic Frontier and the Gear Sport. Not sure about the Gears 2 because it's so far down the line through the update when we get 4.0. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out watch face number one. And number one is pretty tight, I like it. Up at the top, you get your steps, and you also get your heart rate information, your S-Health, battery info. I'm telling you, this thing is super nice, and it is interactive, so if you tap on the dial, you can go into that particular application and seek out whatever information you're looking for. Now, what I like about this, which I want to talk to the developers, I gotta find a way to do a video to get them all together to see if we can get something like this done, and if not, I would like to know why not. Alright, now on the app, which is convenient for me to go on my smartphone and customize my watch as I see fit, you know, getting ready for the day, the next day. And right now in the application on my smartphone, I can customize it from here, right? So I can change the colors. Like right now, I gotta hit and say, we're gonna go through them, so be patient. If you need to pause the video and go get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, your pizza, go ahead and do that. You see how I changed it? And it has an icon up there with a little brush, and it allows you to change them at will. But it also allows you to do some other things too, right? Like, let's say I wanted to do a different color. I can do white and hit save, right? So you have options today, which I'm telling you, these watch faces are nice. I just wanted you to see what they're offering in the new app. And I'm going to show you the app where the watch faces are. It looks cold, it's dark, it looks nice. And let's say you don't want the S-Health summary, right? Check this out, this is pretty nice. It's gonna look like this. This is when you're just going out casually, or maybe you're going out for the night. This is a basic, classic timepiece, right? It's really nice. I like it. Let's see what else we got. You got a ticking sound that goes along with it. I haven't listened for it, but that's unique. I like that. So with that being said, let's check out the next watch face. Now the next one we're going to check out is called My Day. Now My Day is pretty nice. I like this one. Now if any of you all want to challenge me, you know, you want to walk together, because long as you don't have nobody walking with you, this information isn't going to show up. It looks just like this on the app, which it should look the same way on your watch. Now right now it's a nice looking timepiece, gives you your date. You got a nice analog clock, and you got a smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch. But once you put that information in and you connect with other people, it shows you the status of you and them. This is nice. This is really nice. Samsung put some thought into this, and that's why I would like to find out if it's possible for the developers to bring about watch faces like this, where we can customize them not only just on the watch but also on the app itself. Okay? The next one I think you're familiar with. This one came from the beginning. We've had this one for quite some time. This one is actually nice, and you can go into the app, but this one gives you more than just colors, right? Because you can customize the color right from here. I'm going to change it so you can get an idea as to what I'm talking about, and you can do some other things. Let's say you don't want none of these. I can hit none and hit save, right? And it takes it away at the top. This is nice. I'm loving this one, right? So you can change it. Also, this is complication 1, so maybe I want to put this one there. Again, like I said, you're familiar with it already. You already pretty much knows how it goes. So you can customize this one, this one, this one, all for different information. You can change it. I thought it was nice, very nice. Let's go to the next one. And the next one is called Large. Now large is different. I don't think I've seen this one. I thought this one may have came from a previous watch, but now if you have a problem seeing like myself, this one in big bold numbers is nice. And this one gives you, I mean, tons and tons of different colors to change to, compared to some of the others we just got through taking a look at. And I'm loving it. And you can also customize it too, right? So if you want heart rate, you can tap and put heart rate up there. I thought that was pretty cool. So you can customize it. And this is the customization that I'm talking about on watch faces. This gives you an option to kind of personalize it the way you want to. Now this one is called Sporty Classic. Now, Sporty Classic, I kind of like Sporty Classic. Let me see, did I get it? No, Sporty Classic, we've been here before, my fault. Let's go to rings. Now, rings is nice. I like this look, futuristic, and yeah, you can customize this too. You can customize it up to 3 colors, and it allows you to change it a little bit. You don't really have that much customization to it at all, but it still is a nice looking watch. I like it. The next one is going to be Tomcat. You've seen this one before, and it's asking me a question, do I like wearable? Yeah, I like it. Hopefully it doesn't take me out. No, I don't want to rate now. We'll rate later. It's trying to get me to rate it. This is like my first time on it. This one is nice. I like this one. I like the look of this one. This is one I would go out on the town with. If I want to change the color, of course I can change the color, and I really like the look of how the hands show up with the color. It's a very nice look. Let me see what else we got. You got ticking sound on this one too as well. Not bad. Let's check this one out. This one is called Classic. Now this one is a going out watch. Can you customize this one? Yes, you can. This one you're gonna like. Check this out. So you can customize the color of it, the whole thing. Very nice. Depending on what you want for that day, you have like 4 and all that you can customize this to, which I thought was pretty cool. And it's easy to do. It's very easy. I'm always on my phone. I would definitely be going into this to customize and change the watch face. Let's check out Analog Utility. Anybody familiar with this one? This one is pretty nice. I'm quite sure it's interactive as well. So I mean, all the watches are pretty much interactive. That's native on the watch face and the application. It's not bad. I'm loving it. So this one here, it changes a little bit, not much, but I thought it was nice. You can change the color if you so choose. Let's give you an idea of what it's gonna look like. It's not a bad look. Kind of gives it a hint of blue a little bit. It has a few colors and all. Let's check out this one. I like. This one's called Fitness Centric. Now this one looks nice. It gives you information for all your step status info. Of course you got, let's tap this, your S health. I mean, this is nice. Set your profile, you can go in and set it up. I mean, Samsung really brought something to the table with this watch face, and it has a lot of features and functions. Now remember that they gave you 35 more workout modes as well, but its whole overall looks nice. I like this one. If you look at it, I did not make my 10,000. Don't ask me what happened. I do not know, but I thought this was a good look. I would like for you to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Gives you the weather right here, gives you battery information right there, so if you're on your run, you got the info you need to make it through your run. This one's nice. Let's take a look at peaks. This one is familiar. I know I've seen this one before, but it's a little different. Not bad. This one is nice. I like it. Nice color. There's no customization to this one. The first one. Can't do anything. I think it changes as the day goes on. Like, it's showing me green right now, showing me a sun, but on the watch it's showing purple, which means that we're in the nightfall. So I'm quite sure the morning, afternoon, maybe sunset will look different. I have to wear this for a day just to see the different looks, and then we'll show you again. The next one is called Frontier. Frontier, it's a nice watch face. I like it. I mean, you get your step status info, of course, your gold status right here, floors climbed. You also get your digital time right here, so you get the best of both worlds. And this thing still wants me to rate it. We are not going to rate it later. Later, people. Now, this one, of course, came from the theme that was for the Note 9. This is not bad. And this one, I think you can customize and change. You can also add your own picture. You can go into, let's say, you know, your phone, and if you want to go in and customize a photo, save it, put it on the watch face. You want to put a name on there, you can. Of course, you get your time down at the bottom. Let me hit save so you can see what I put up here. It's not bad. It's pretty much a photo watch face. I like it. I thought it was pretty cool. Alright, you all, that's pretty much it. I think I covered everything. What do you think about these watch faces? Whatever you do, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below, because I would like to know, would you like to have some of these watch faces or not? And if so, which one? Alright, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Party like it's 1999, but most of all, please be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.